Music reaches people on a preconscious level. It harmonizes people. It evokes joy and self-expression. So let me tell you about 4 of the artists we interviewed in music. One is the fantastic story of Mark Johnson, the founder of Playing for Change. He's a music producer in LA, and his life was changed one day while he was walking to work, and he heard a guy named Roger Ridley down the block, a street musician, playing Stand By Me. Cue the band. And this became the anthem for our project. Roger, the street musician, said, "I'm in the joy business." Mark went around to different countries and got different people to do their own version of Stand By Me. Posted it on the internet, it went viral, 75 million hits. It became the base for Playing for Change, now doing albums all over the world. And every place that they do an album with local musicians, they also create something to give back to the community, a school, a center, a sports facility. And all of this grows out of the love of music. And Mark says, in music, there's both a player and a listener, and you need both for music really to connect. It's a very inspiring story. We interviewed Wynton Marsalis, well known in New York. He, of course, talks about jazz as the ultimate collaboration of people going in and out of this stream of music that's being created. But he also talks about the incredible story of collaboration it took for him to build Jazz at Lincoln Center, where he's now the executive director. We interviewed Roger Nierenberg, the founder of Music Paradigm, who believed that music is so experiential, you've got to experience it to draw parallels to your own life, and more importantly, your own place where you work. So he puts you in the middle of the orchestra. He says, watch the 2 violins. Watch how the violins coordinate with the woodwinds. Now you take the baton, one of our symbols, and come up here and you lead the orchestra. It's a phenomenal experience. I highly recommend it, and hear Roger's story. We also talked to Francisco Nunez, who had a vision over 25 years ago to bring kids together from all walks of life to sing really challenging music. And he's created the Young People's Chorus of New York City. World-renowned, won competitions all over the world, but more importantly, is changing children's lives. But if you can go to a concert, their closing song is "Give Us Hope, We Are the Future." It is such a powerful experience. And the music that he makes is enhanced because he gets professional musicians from Broadway to interact with the kids, to perform with the kids. He gets adult composers to write music for youth choruses. So he's truly an innovator in this space.